Hi guys, it's another video. I'm recording right now only because I got a shark fin in the adventure, and it's very cool. I actually got it. That's very cool. I think so. I never got a shark fin a lot, and I don't have a shark fin. Yeah. Useless. What's your guys?